Hello everyone. Welcome to today's real life conversation. In this episode, we'll hear a conversation between two people who meet for the first time at a coffee shop. Listen carefully to how they greet, hook up, introduce themselves, ask questions, and build a natural, friendly conversation. Let's begin. In this role play conversation, we have two characters, Rahul and Emma. First meeting and greetings. Rahul. Excuse me, is this seat available? Emma. Yes, of course. Please go ahead. Thank you. It's quite busy today. Yes, weekends are always crowded here. By the way, I am Rahul. Nice to meet you, Rahul. I am Emma. Nice to meet you too. Do you come here often? Yes, I usually come here to read or work. Same here. I like the calm atmosphere. And the coffee is great too. Definitely. Talking about work and studies. So, Rahul, what do you do? I work as a software developer. How about you? I am a freelance writer. That sounds creative. What do you usually write about? Travel and lifestyle topics. That must be exciting. Yes, I get to explore new places. Do you work from home? Mostly yes. Sometimes I work in cafes like this. Hobbies and interest. What do you like to do in your free time? I love reading novels and going on nature walks. Nice. I enjoy photography and playing football. Photography sounds interesting. Yes, I like capturing street life and sunsets. That's beautiful. Do you post your photos online? Yes, sometimes on social media. Talking about background and travel. Where are you from originally? I am from Bangalore. I have heard it's a vibrant city. Yes, it's lively and full of technology companies. I love traveling. Have you traveled abroad? Yes, I visited Singapore last year. That's wonderful. I want to visit Asia soon. Food, coffee, and lifestyle. What's your favorite coffee? I love latte with a little cinnamon. That sounds good. I usually drink cappuccino. Do you enjoy cooking? Yes, especially trying new recipes. I enjoy cooking too. It's relaxing. What kind of food do you like most? I love Italian and Indian food. Personal goals and dreams. What are your future goals? I want to start my own tech company someday. That's ambitious. What about you? I want to write a book and travel the world. That sounds inspiring. Thank you. Ending the conversation. I really enjoyed talking with you today. Me too. It was a lovely conversation. Maybe we can meet again sometime. Sure, that would be nice. Can we stay in touch? Of course, here is my contact. Great job listening to this real life coffee shop conversation. Repeat these useful sentences. Nice to meet you. What do you do? What are your hobbies? Where are you from? Let's stay in touch. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing English every day. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe to this channel and share with your friends. Thanks a lot.